Is this?
My God.
Oh my goodness! What? No! No!
Yeah!
Oh!
What in the world? Oh no. This is obliteration! Trademark.
No ha podido destronarla, pero al parecer ya queda atrapada de esta manera.
He can't hit it. Oh, look at this. Teasing the tombstone. Now Little Mark. Ooh, bouncing her head.
Catches her. Oh, tombstoned her.
Went to the well too many times.
She got him in position. Oh, jumping two. Nope. Done.
Got to take advantage here. What the hell?
Oh, but he blocked it.
Steps back inside the ring. One for the traditional pile driver inside the ring. No!
He just spit something in her face.
And hits his own pile driver.
And it cost her.
He crawled through the legs and he just used some kind of a weapon. Couldn't quite catch what it was.
Handcuffs, I believe? No! Tombstone spinning pile driver!
Going for that pile driver, but Jessica fighting it.
Oh! Jessica lifting up catch, turning her upside down.
Oh!
My God!
Rikishi driver in.
Trying for tombstone one more time.
Yeah, back to that position she goes with Alley Catch.
Pile driver. Oh, right on the wood. Right on that wood platform. Right on that stage. Back fist sets her up. And a pile.
Just nail Billy. Oh! Whoa!
Oh my God, the strength of Billy Starks!